because they've wrecked their life. And the only thing that makes them feel good is the drugs.
It's a drug. Yeah. You're absolutely right.
And no one can tell you any different. No one can fix you. You got to kind of do it yourself. Your family can tell you you got to stop doing drugs. You're like, yeah. And then you go buy some. And,
it's all you. Yeah.
And it's wild. It only takes one charismatic, smart-sounding, seeming doctor. Because I've always avoided drugs as well, and it was just one orthodontist that's like, no problem whatsoever. Just take one of these. It's gotta be. You have no worries, no problem.
They'll give them to you even if you're not in pain. That's what's crazy. I had a nose operation, a deviated septum fix, and my doctor prescribed me 2 different kinds of painkillers. Wow. I didn't take, and I was like, I'm not in pain. And he's like, but you might be. I'm like, Jesus Christ. I'm like, I'm not feeling this.
He's pushing them on you.
Yeah, he was pushing them on me. He was telling me to take them.
These guys want to be one of the 12 doctors on a list.
Well, if
you get their kickback.
If you're supposed to, like, those numbers, you got to keep those numbers coming in. They'll come to you, hey, buddy, what's going on?
So they actually do get paid?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, there's some sort of kickbacks. And there's also bribes. And the bribes were in the form of vacations and dinners. And my wife's nurse, my wife's mother rather, was a nurse, and she would say that the pharmaceutical reps would come to the clinic, to the hospital, and they would like take everybody to dinner. Come on, we're gonna take you to dinner. They'd take them out to these nice steak dinners, and everybody would eat whatever you want.
Yep.
With a nice bottle of wine. And so, like, they were on the side of these pharmaceutical drug companies. So when the patients would say, "Hey, what do you think about this stuff?" They were like, "Oh, you should take it. It's very good. It's very good. It's a good company." You know, so it's just you build loyalty with these people. You know, Brigham from Ways to Well. Brigham started off his career. He's a good buddy of ours who now owns a stem cell clinic, and you know, now he's into wellness and prescribes peptides.
Is he in the United States?
Yes, he's in Austin.
Okay.
And you know, back then when he was a pharmaceutical drug rep, it was all about relationships with the people. Like, you would go to the kids' games, you would know all these people, you would know all the doctors and nurses. You had to be on a first name, but you were their friend.
Right.
And so the more they liked you, the more likely they were to prescribe your drugs, the more they would give it out to people. And
they were building trust.
Building trust. And in Painkiller, in the documentary, the Netflix series, they hire these really hot young girls that were the representatives that would go to the doctors and sell this stuff and bring the brochures, and they had a little spiel that they would sell. It's crazy. It's crazy what they did. I mean, they followed the law. Look, if you want to be an evil sociopath, it's really that the way they did it that's the way to do it. And it's the most effective way to make a lot of money.
Right.
They made billions.
Right. And you know what? They didn't break the law, I guess.